If you're searching for the best dark fantasy window projector in 2026, this is the one I tested for 2 weeks, and the answer to whether it's real is more interesting than I expected. The projector is the Simplify Tech CineX. The scene is real. The room is real. Let me show you exactly how this works. First, what most reviews get wrong. The dark fantasy window effect isn't built into the projector. It's free content. You go to YouTube, search dark fantasy window scene or fantasy castle window 10 hours, and you find loops people have made for exactly this. The CineX runs Android, has the Google Play Store, so you stream those scenes directly to the projector with no extra device. That's why this works. You're not paying for some special fantasy projector. You're paying for a regular mini projector that can stream any scene from YouTube and put it on your wall the size of a real window, or bigger. Now the test. I set up the CineX in my bedroom. Lights off, curtains drawn. I projected a dark fantasy castle scene onto the wall opposite my bed, about 80 inches across, roughly the size of a real picture window. The first night, I left it on for 90 minutes while I read. The torchlight in the scene flickered. The mist drifted across the castle. The colors held. Deep purples, dark greens, warm orange firelight. The audio from the scene played through the built-in speaker. The whole bedroom felt different. Night 2, I tested it on the ceiling. Same fantasy scene, projected up. I lay in bed and watched the castle for 30 minutes before I fell asleep. This is where it really earns it. Night 3 to 7, I tried different scenes. Dark medieval castles, underground caverns, gothic interiors. Each one looked exactly as cinematic as the YouTube preview. The auto keystone kept the projection straight no matter where I placed the projector. Owned honest limitation for the darkest fantasy scenes. Your room needs to be dim or dark. Some daylight is fine, but the deep shadow contrast that makes these scenes look real disappears in bright light. This isn't a daylight projector. It's a bedroom cinema fantasy window projector, which is what you want. So, is the dark fantasy window projector real? Yes. With the simple condition, dark room, free YouTube content, the CineX puts it on your wall the size of a window. Done. Setup. Under 2 minutes from box to first scene. No installation, no drilling. Plug in, point at wall. Everything you saw in this video, that's exactly what arrives at your door. No AI enhancements, no filters, no special lighting. Real bedroom, real wall. This actual device. If when you set it up, it doesn't look like what you saw, send it back inside 30 days. Full refund, no questions asked. 6-month brand warranty, free worldwide shipping. Best value for money dark fantasy window projector you'll get in 2026. Links in the description.